Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to WordPress. First, log into your WordPress account. On your home section, go to the right panel and you'll see an option to add a domain. Click on that. Next, type in the domain name from Godaddy that you want to transfer, then click Continue. Choose the option that says Transfer your domain. You'll then be taken to the checkout section, so go ahead and complete your order. After that, WordPress will ask for an authorization code, so let's get that from Godaddy. Log into your Godaddy account. Then, click your profile name at the top right corner and go to My Products. Find the domain you want to transfer and click on it. On the left panel, go to the Domain section. Then, click Registration Settings. Scroll down to the Transfer section. The first thing you need to do is unlock your domain, toggle the lock off, and when a confirmation window appears, click Continue. Next, click on Transfer to another registrar. Scroll to the bottom and click Continue again. You'll now see the option to view authorization code. Click on it, and Godaddy will show you your code. Copy it. Now, go back to your WordPress account. Paste the authorization code from Godaddy, then, then click Check Readiness for Transfer. After that, make sure to check your email. You'll receive a confirmation message asking you to approve the transfer. This step is very important because the transfer won't proceed unless you confirm it. And that's it. Your domain transfer is now in progress. It may take around 5 to 7 days for the transfer to be fully completed. But that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.